Well, I've been in the investment business for 28 years, and what we really focus on is getting people to retirement and through retirement on how to structure their investments, be it from planning, tax planning, from estate planning, from investment planning. We're basically a full service firm where we can do every aspect of what they need done.
Okay, I asked Tom what was exactly ready.
The owner, Chris, said, "Hey, why don't you come down sometime if you have 20 minutes, I'd like to show you something." And I went down and he started showing me all the different things that the TRUTOUCH could do for us as far as moving around things, circling things, highlighting things, and actually getting up and making more of an interactive presentation. And then with the whiteboard feature, to be able to actually talk about ideas and concepts where I feel like people are very visual. So if you can draw it out and show it to them, it really kind of settles in and helps them understand it better. Those are your primaries on the retirement account. Now you'll see here, there's two features that I really like. One is the ability to pull up different information, different spreadsheets and things and accounts, and actually go over and circle it with my finger. And then it's blinking, and then I move to another number and it erases that one and it moves to the other. I mean, that's been extremely powerful because it takes the client and they can actually follow what you're talking about on the screen. The other side is then when you can take that down and you can actually draw different concepts and things that you want to incorporate into your presentation. And then you can save it. You can save it to a slide and it's saved, and you can go back and pull that back up. And those two features have really added a tremendous amount to our business. As it creates a wow factor, just the size of it and the impression when they walk in. And then when you start going over their different accounts and portfolios, and you actually get up and you can start moving things around and touching things, and then you can hit a button and switch to another screen and actually draw out what you're talking about so they can see exactly how it interacts with what they're trying to do. It's pretty powerful.